This is a game changer for your kitchen routine. It's the Dish Daddy self-standing soap dispensing dish wand. If you're tired of messy dish sponges and want a tool that makes washing dishes easier, cleaner, and more efficient, then stick around because this is exactly what you've been looking for. Hey everyone, welcome back to FAQs. I'm Christopher Joyce, and today I'm the cleaning wizard with the magic wand. But before we get into the magic powers of the Dish Daddy, make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications so that you're the first to know about a new video dropping on the channel. Well, let's not waste any time and dive into the box. Here it is. So open up the box. Of course, be careful with the blade. Ta-da! Now it comes with a hang tag that easily tears off so that you can begin your magical cleaning journey. And let me tell you, the Dish Daddy really stands up to the competition, unlike this guy that you get from the big box store. What's that? First off, the Dish Daddy comes with a Scrub Daddy head. It's basically a smaller version of a Scrub Daddy with a little smile included to clean off those typical kitchen messes you acquire daily. And yes, the foam head is made of the famous FlexTexture technology that you find in Scrub Daddies and Scrub Bommies, which means it's soft in warm water, making it perfect for delicate surfaces. But when the water's cool, it firms up, giving you extra cleaning power to scrub those stubborn spots away. Do you want to know the best part? They're scratch-free on almost any surface, including glass, nonstick pans, cast iron, and stainless steel. So no need to worry about damaging your cookware or your cooktops. So heading towards the bottom of the Dish Daddy, the self-standing soap dispensing design makes this cleaning tool super convenient. No more laying your dish wand down in that soapy mess. The Dish Daddy stands on its own thanks to its self-draining base. Pretty neat, right? Another feature that you will find super useful is the built-in scraper located on top of the Dish Daddy. Here, let me show you. It's perfect for tackling stuck-on food like cheese or baked-on grease without needing to grab a separate tool. Just use the wand and it scrapes away without scratching the surface. And if you're all about cutting down on waste, you'll appreciate the hook and loop system. This means you don't have to throw away that typical plastic connector when replacing the foam head. Just peel it off, press on a new one, and you're good to go. Plus, the dual seal design helps prevent leaks. The soap stays where it belongs until you need it. To dispense the soap, you just hit this little soap dispensing button. You're gonna hear the valve open up. And then you're only using the soap and dispensing the soap when you need it. Now, refilling the Dish Daddy is extremely easy too. Just twist off the cap, fill it with your favorite dish soap, twist it back on, and if you noticed, there's no mess, no hassle. Wow. So what you're absolutely gonna love is the fact that this dispenses your favorite dish liquid, but it even dispenses it through, in this case, the Scrub Daddy head. Watch this. You simply press on this side, you can see that we are full of dish liquid, and when we press it, it comes through the cute, smiley mouth. Now, the Dish Daddy isn't just your average dish wand. It is literally a Swiss Army knife for cleaning. Why? Because you can swap out 3 additional cleaning heads, all sold separately. So now let's walk through all the different heads that you can purchase separately. Starting with the Scour Daddy head. They come in a set of 2. Rip this open. Now the Scour Daddy head has the same FlexTexture material inside with the hook and loop backing, but it has the Armor Tech mesh on the outside. And that's gonna allow you to switch into something that is going to scour because sometimes you need to scrub and sometimes you need to scour. Now let's go to the next one. It's a brush, because sometimes you need a brush to take care of those detailed areas. Think about like a whisk or something like that. Take it off. You simply change out this adapter, which is designed for the hook and loop heads. Place the brush on the wand, and you're good to go. For all those areas when you need to get into those detailed areas to clean, like a strainer. Look at this. The brush actually works its way through the strainer so you can truly clean it from top to bottom. That's the scrub brush attachment. And then last but not least, watch this. This is really clever. We can adapt the Dish Daddy so that it can hold on to your favorite scrub daddies and scrub mommies. So this adapter adapts on the end of the Dish Daddy, and then you can put your favorite scrub daddies on the end of your dish wand or your scrub mommies, allowing you to use the scrub daddy side on the scrub mommy or the Resofoam side. Genius! But beware, because Scrub Mommy has that Resofoam side and it's super, super absorbent, it may get a little heavy. And in that case, there are times that it could fall off the wand. But no problem, put it back on and you can get back to cleaning. So what I love about the adapter plate, of course you can adapt to a Scrub Mommy or a Scrub Daddy. But what's really wonderful is that it gives you a really nice cleaning head and gives you the leverage that you need to do some heavy-duty scrubbing, like the oven door. And then when you're done with the Scrub Daddy, you can switch to the Scrub Mommy and clean your dishes and your sink. Voila! So I know we gave you a lot because this is truly a comprehensive cleaning tool for your arsenal in your kitchen or all around the house for that matter. So let's recap. The Dish Daddy isn't just an ordinary dish wand. It's a convenient and versatile cleaning tool. Whether you need something gentle for delicate glassware or a firm scrubber for tough messes like the Scour Daddy that I showed you. Whatever your mess is, we've got you covered. So, that's all for today. Now don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you've tried the Dish Daddy or you're looking to try it for the very first time. And tell us your favorite thing that Dish Daddy is capable of doing in your kitchen. So, thanks for watching, and Wingardium Leviosa! Oh, wait, wrong wand. Happy cleaning!